Hello and welcome back, guys. Let me check. Mic is on, recording is on, screen, yeah, timer is on, and screen is getting shared. So, brother, I just want to tell you things are gonna change. Things are going to change a whole 180-degree because I finally found the things which is need to be done in the correct trading way. So, what the fuck I'm talking to you guys? Okay, so in this video, we are going to do the daily review of the plan which we have jotted down over here. And also I'm going to change the whole plan again because I need to, I need to change and spot the things correctly. I need to update it quickly to just do it quickly. So we are at a week 2, but this week 2 is not updated. So week 1 we are heading towards, this is still need to get updated. So in a daily review, let's do this. Div database inline, yeah, here we go. This is daily review. Table format, sort with when it was scheduled, ascending, perfect. So now let's go for 21 22 and let's do the daily review of yesterday's, how I finished the task or not. So lectures 12, right? 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, and today is 10. So shit, what? Today is 11 lecture, man. Holy shit, man. So lecture 6 is done or what? Let me check, man. Which lecture I'm doing, I still don't know about this. I'm just doing it. So this one lecture was ongoing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, seventh lecture. So sixth lecture got finished. So 7, 8, 9 and 10, 4 lectures was scheduled. Have I done it? Absolutely not, because I was completing the 6th lecture and I started the 7th lecture I probably guess in the morning. So yeah, that is how it looks like. Why? Because I was working on the previous tasks. The solution is to the task for tomorrow, but now every single thing is gonna get changed because I'm gonna stop this lecture because I found something which is gonna change the whole entire trading thing. I'm gonna learn the trading by my own. No, sorry, by my older version, because what I was having the issue that I was trading the market. I was doing simple. I was doing the wrong trading. In one line, I was doing the wrong trading. So I was looking for how I was taking a trade where I was making literally 1% like this. It was so easy for me. Like, oh, 1%, just 1%. It's done. It's done. I was like this, but now it's very hard to make even 0.1% off. So I'm literally going to go back. I even gone back in time and I saw how I was taking a trade. It was completely perfect trading, and now I have completely changed the way I was taking the trade. That's why my whole entire output got completely changed. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna change all of this now, which sucks, but it is what it is. Signing off now. Let's after this I'm gonna do the trade recap. See you. This is what the daily review. Have I done the yesterday's task? Absolutely fucking not, because I was working on the day before yesterday's task. This is what the daily review looks like. Signing off. Peace.